So you're looking to move into a 55 plus community so that you have a resort style life? Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this video. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell as well. I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so make sure you get the alerts for all my new videos that are coming out. I'm really excited to show you around Esplanade today, the 55 plus community located just off of Bruce B. Downs. So if you're looking to upsize, downsize, or just get into a 55 plus community, reach out to me at 813-523-3441. I am so excited to show you around Esplanade. And Esplanade, if you're not familiar, is a long open area right typically by the sea. And this community has thought of everything in terms of having a 55 plus active lifestyle. They haven't forgotten anything. Just to name a couple of things that are amenities that your HOA includes is you've got the gated community. You don't have to worry about cutting grass anymore. You don't have to worry about your cable. That's included. Your trash, your amenity center, and they're gonna tons of activities within the amenity center, including 24-hour fitness and exercise classes. You'll see also later on in the video about the pickleball and the tennis courts, but just a very active 55 plus community. Your HOA is $415 a month and your CDD is $3,311 per year. I am going to show you one of the models that you can visit. You've got some models with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and some people call it a flex room or a study. And they also have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 4-bedroom, 3-bath, also with the study and our flex. They also do have a couple of models where you can build how you want it. In other words, you can choose all your finishes, your colors, things like that. The nice thing as well, their pricing, they have included a base price with your home lot premiums, as well as some of the upgrades. Such a great outdoor space. Those sliders slide all the way back, either left or right, to make your outdoor space kind of come in. These lots have some conservation as well, so you don't have to worry about rear neighbors. Just a great space for entertaining outdoors. The clubhouse is gorgeous. This is the path or the walkway from the pool area to the pickleball and the tennis courts. And over to the pickleball courts. These courts are actually beautiful to look at. And then across from the pickleball is one more tennis court that you can enjoy. And then back over to the pool area. A great space, a warming pit to enjoy friends or family, or even have a little get together. This path connected the tennis courts to the pool area. You've got tons of different places where you can get into the water, a couple laps if you want to swim laps. And over on the far side, close to the entrance of the clubhouse, you've got a walk-in area, which are great for the grandkids, or just anyone who needs an easier way to get into the pool area. A hot tub to enjoy. As you can see, tons of places to be able to sit and enjoy the pool area. Umbrellas, tables as well. In the clubhouse, there will have some exercise classes, some spa services, the 24-hour fitness center, a pool table room, an activity room as well. So just tons of things that you can do to stay active within the community. They're also currently working on a tot lot as well as some trails to be able to walk. You will have some concierge services as well as clubs and different outings that you'll be able to attend with other homeowners. Tons of green space to enjoy with friends or even the grandkids. And this section over here, great place to meet up with friends, as well as a little fire pit to enjoy in the evenings. Some cornhole if you're enjoy doing that, as well as a beautiful bocce ball court here. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or want more information about this beautiful community, please reach out to me, 813-523-3441.